for the Senate presidency. His message to his fellow senators:
Doon mga hindi sumusunod sa mga rules at sa parliamentary procedures ng Senado ngayon, mahiya naman kayo.
For Escudero, the impeachment court is sui generis, and only the Supreme Court can rule on constitutionality.
Sui generis means it's a class of its own. Pwedeng gawin ng impeachment court, anumang ninanais gawin ito ayon sa botohan, at kung may hindi man sumasang-ayon, malaya silang pwedeng iakyat sa Korte Suprema yan.
Escudero also insisted the motion to return the articles of impeachment was not planned, as alleged by Ontiveros. Victoria Tulad, ABS-CBN News.
The Philippine House Speaker vows to pursue the Vice President's impeachment trial despite additional requirements sought by Senator judges. He raised concerns over their decision to return the articles of impeachment to the House, a move which constitutional experts could